In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, the demand for trained paramedics and healthcare professionals is always high. As the backbone of the medical field, paramedics play a critical role in providing immediate care and support to patients, facilitating smoother hospital operations, and ensuring public health. Amidst this backdrop, the Vijay Institute of Paramedical Sciences, VIPs, in Hosur stands out as a beacon of quality education and training. Authorized by the World Skill Council and affiliated with prestigious institutions such as the Bharat Sevak Samaj and the Indian Medical Association, VIPMS is committed to shaping the future of healthcare through its comprehensive paramedical programs. The legacy of Vijay Institute of Paramedical Sciences, Dr. Rekha Rajesh and Hospital Wing, founded by Dr. Rekha Rajesh with a vision of unwavering commitment to excellence in paramedical education. Vijay Institute of Paramedical Sciences has carved a niche for itself as one of the leading institutes in the region. Its state-of-the-art facilities, qualified faculty, and industry partnerships have positioned it as a vital player in enhancing the quality of education and training for future healthcare professionals. VIPMS offers various programs tailored to the needs of the healthcare industry, including Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, DMLT, Diploma in Operation Technology, DOT, and Diploma in First Aid and Patient Care, DFAPC. The institute not only adheres to the curriculum mandated by accrediting bodies, but also integrates practical training, ensuring that students are well prepared to meet the challenges of a dynamic work environment. Here's an overview of the flagship courses offered. Cover the respective department. 1. Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, DMLT. This program equips students with the necessary skills to perform a variety of laboratory tests crucial for diagnosing diseases, covering subjects such as hematology, biochemistry, microbiology, and immunology. The DMLT course ensures that students gain hands-on experience in laboratory procedures. Through extensive practical training complemented by theoretical learning, graduates are well prepared to work in hospitals, diagnostic centers, and research labs. 2. Diploma in First Aid and Patient Care, DFAPC. This course is designed to train students in basic life support, first aid techniques, and patient care protocols. With an emphasis on emergency response and patient interaction, graduates are equipped to provide crucial support in both clinical and community settings. This program is particularly beneficial in disaster response and emergency medical services. 3. Diploma in Operation Technology, DOT. With Operation Technology becoming increasingly important, the DOT program enables the students to gain essential skills in medical technology and patient care, preparing them for a rewarding career in this fast-growing field. Clinical training and internship opportunities. What sets VIPs apart is its commitment to providing students with excellent clinical training and internship opportunities. The institute maintains collaborations with the allied hospital and healthcare facilities, ensuring that students receive hands-on training in real-world clinical environments. This practical exposure not only enhances their learning experience but also fosters professional development, preparing them for the demands of the workforce. The emphasis on clinical training at VIPs ensures that graduates possess the confidence and competence needed to excel in their respective fields. The comprehensive approach to education blends classroom learning with practical applications, thus producing well-rounded healthcare professionals who are adept at facing the challenges of modern healthcare settings. By investing in the education and training of tomorrow's paramedics and healthcare professionals, VIPs is not only enhancing individual careers but also contributing significantly to the overall health and welfare of our communities, and undoubtedly it stands out as pioneers of excellence in healthcare education.